which is the most favorite food in Pakistan?
I think it's just the flavor in general that I like. Not so spicy like in India, and it's like a little bit milder. Fewer dishes, but more sophisticated, I would say. Escardu and like the north is very beautiful mountains. It's like a completely different landscape. It's very nice.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी, मैं हूं नोमान मकसूद। आप देख रहे हैं हमारा फेसबुक और यूट्यूब चैनल। मैं हूं जॉर्डन और सीरिया के साथ। जॉर्डन और सीरिया आए हैं बेल्जियम से। बेल्जियम से आने का इनका मकसद था पाकिस्तान को घूमना, पाकिस्तान को एक्सप्लोर करना। इन्होंने दुनिया के कई ममालिक घूमे हैं और ख़ास तौर पे ये जो ट्रक है ये इनको लेके आया। आप सोच रहे होंगे कि ये ट्रक जो है ये आम सा एक ट्रक नज़र आ रहा है, लेकिन ये बहुत ही मतलब कह सकते हैं कि घर है पूरा। इसके अंदर आपको डबल बेड भी मिलेगा, इसके अंदर किचन भी है, इसके अंदर वॉशरूम भी है, इसके अंदर वो जो खाने के लिए जो रूम होता है एक वो डाइनिंग रूम वो भी है इसके अंदर। और इसके साथ साथ इसके अंदर सोलर प्लेट्स लगी हुई हैं बिजली के लिए। फिर उसके बाद जॉर्नो ने इसके अंदर एक अंगीठी भी लगाई है स्पेशली, जो कि मतलब गर्म रखने के लिए उसको इनका जो रूम है उसको गर्म रखने के लिए लगाई। ख़ासतौर पे जब ये जाते हैं शिमाली इलाका जात की तरफ और बाकी जगहों पे जहाँ पे ठंड ज़्यादा होती है उसके लिए। तो आज की इस वीडियो में आप देखेंगे ये ट्रक क्या है और इसमें क्या क्या चीज़ें हैं। उसके अलावा कुछ इनके एक्सपीरियंसेस शेयर करेंगे आपके साथ कि ये पाकिस्तान आए तो इनको कैसा लगा। तो सबसे पहले जॉर्नो से बात करेंगे।
Good interaction with some people and some jokes, and we really feel like coming like home. We felt very welcome. Yeah. 4 different gears, which makes like a spare differential. Like the axles can be locked because it's a 4-wheel drive. Slower gear, and then like mountain gear and stuff like this. Yeah.
So do you only drive or Syria also drive?
I only drive. I only drive.
Really?
Yeah.
So how people wants to know that for how many hours do you drive it, and for how long you take rest?
Well, we drove now 30,000 kilometers. Some days I drive 2 hours. Some days, like I think 2 days ago, I think I drove over 15 hours or something like this. Because
15 hours.
It's like a tractor. It goes very slow, and if you drive through the mountains, it takes its time.
It takes its time. So tell us about the truck. About the body, the room that you had made, about this caravan. So how did you made it, and how long you have been traveling on it?
We have it now for I think almost 3 years, 2 years and a half. We bought it like this in this state in Poland, but inside we arranged like a little bit more towards our needs, and also like the equipment that we have to fit in and stuff like this. But we're still like, it's still a work in progress, to be honest, because now we live already for like 9 months in it, and we realize, okay, this has to be different, this is not necessary. So it's like a work in progress. Yeah.
Right. So can you just give a short review about this truck?
Well, we have a lot of cabins here. This is like one cabin where like gas and some utility stuff is inside that we don't need that much,
Right.
Like extra canister and some.
There are 2 gas cylinders in it.
That's still one from Belgium.
Oh.
That's still,
You filled it from there?
yeah, but it's empty. But I want to take it back home.
And what about this?
This is from Nepal. This is a
Nepal.
Nepali one. Yeah.
एक जो है ये बेल्जियम से लेके आए थे और एक सिलेंडर जो है वो यहाँ से इन्होंने नेपाल से खरीदा. And what about this place?
This is like where we put our stuff in, like if we do sports or like the things like our seats, if we want to sit outside, carpet, table, stuff like this. Yeah.
Okay. इसके अंदर इन्होंने जो carpet table वगैरह बाकी चीजें रखी. Let's go.
And it's also something that we sometimes use as an exercising stuff to pull up and do stuff like this.
Oh, यानी कि exercise के लिए भी इस्तेमाल होता है. What about that part?
That's for the chimney because we have like a wood stove inside, so for the smoke to go out.
So is it safe for it?
Yeah, it didn't burn down yet, so it's good.
Oh, that's great. आइए जी अब आगे से दिखाते हैं आपको यहाँ से. ये देखें.
This is more like a garbage compartment, but I'm not going to open it because there's garbage inside.
इसमें garbage होता है.
And like some other stuff, like it's old garbage.
Batteries
stuff.
are also in there.
Yeah, that ones.
Yeah, that's great. So what about this place?
Well, we use it like as a just like an auto kitchen, or like if we feed the dogs, we put like the dog food is in there, and then we put like the bowls in there, and then we can. It's like some utility area.
That's great. Giorno के पास dogs भी हैं, और how many dogs do you have?
3.
3.
Yes.
What are the names of those dogs, Celia?
The little one is Jules. The white one is Malu and the other black one is Tishka.
Do they enjoy your while you travel?
Most of the time, for the moment, it's a bit hot for them. Most of the time, it's okay.
Just because of the environment of Pakistan?
Because of the weather, because it's really warm and we don't have AC.
Hmm.
So it's a bit difficult.
That's it. वो कह रही कि इसमें एसी नहीं है तो इसलिए हम उसको ठंडा रखने के लिए करते हैं. So this is a window.
Yeah.
It looks really beautiful.
Thank you.
So where did you get these plants?
All from Belgium.
From Belgium.
Yeah, these two are from Belgium.
ये
Yes.
पौधे भी परदेसी हैं जी. So this is your
Dog food and like sometimes we put like cans of food and stuff like this for us as well, like the things that can that we don't need right away. Like
Okay.
stuff like this.
And this place is for
This is all like maintaining stuff like keys, tools for working on the truck, spare parts, oil, all these kind of things.
oh
Yeah.
that's great. So how long it took to arrange everything in your truck?
Well, we had it before we left already, so and we were living in it sort of way. So it was during a time of 1 year that we managed to
Manage
do stuff
everything.
like this.
Chill. Let's go inside.
Yes.
To show people. Okay, I just forgot one thing. So, tell me about the company of this truck. You said you bought it from
Bought in Poland.
Poland, right?
But it's German-made MAN. It's like an old cooperation between MAN and Volkswagen, like a competition to it, and they created this one.
ये ट्रक जो है ये कह रहे हैं कि जो आर्मी थी उसके लिए इस्तेमाल होता था और उसके बाद जॉर्नो ने ये ख़रीदा. 33 साल पुराना ये ट्रक है जो आप देख रहे हैं. Is it 5000 cc?
5,400, something like this.
5400 cc ये
Six-cylinder engine.
6 सिलेंडर है. आए आपको अंदर से दिखाती हूँ. Let's go जॉर्नो.
Yes.
आज हम मेहमान हैं जॉर्नो के. We are your guest today.
Okay.
तो ये है जी ट्रक जॉर्नो का और कैरावन. तो ये जॉर्नो दिस इज
A fan.
एयर.
Fan, yeah, it's like a fan.
So no AC inside.
No, no AC. Next time we will have. But
Yeah,
now
next time.
it's a mistake, but yeah.
Okay. So ये देख रहे हैं आपको. Tell the people about these things, the equipment and this caravan.
This is the fridge.
Yeah.
Here we put like the pots and
Can you open it?
plants. Yes. It's
ये देखें जी. ये देखें
For the
fridge.
moment.
इसमें चीज रखा हुआ. You ruined offer. Oh my god.
Fruit, mangoes, melon.
हाँ. ये
We
देखिए सब
have-
चीजें इसके अंदर होती हैं. So it works on electricity, right?
Yeah.
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 How much volt does it get?
Good question. I don't know, like 50 watt or something like this. It's not much because we have solar panel with batteries. It works good. Yeah.
Okay, it works with solar panel.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes.
So what
yes.
about in night?
We have the batteries. We have 2 batteries at storage,
For
and then
backup.
yeah. We can even have like a blender or something like this working. No problem. All
So
that.
you stay inside of this truck and Giorno drives always,
No,
right?
no, we're both in the front.
You're both in front
Yes.
and only dogs stay here.
Also in the front.
Also in the
Because
front?
it's, too much.
It
movement
shakes
in
and
here.
we get nervous otherwise, and otherwise we have that feeling that they will destroy the place. So better in the front.
Oh, अब ये जॉर्नक ये कह रहा है कि ये जो कुत्ते इनके साथ हैं ये इनके साथ ड्राइव कर रहे होते हैं. ये अंदर नहीं छोड़ते क्योंकि ये मैस क्रिएट कर देते हैं. अंदर सब चीजें गिरो भी दे सकते हैं और भी चीजें जो वो खराब करते हैं. तो ये दिस वन इज योर बेड.
Yes.
Right? You sleep inside. So this what about this place?
For the dogs.
For the dogs.
Dogs
ये
sleep.
dogs के लिए ठीक है. And this is your
Bedroom
bathroom,
and storage place, and,
storage place.
Yeah.
Right.
and that's a closet for our clothing.
So this is your dining room.
Yeah. Nice.
I really love these plants.
Yeah, thank you, thank
बहुत
you.
खूबसूरत पौधे इन्होंने लगाए हुए हैं और नेचर को बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद करते हैं जॉर्नो और सीरिया. And how do you work in this small place?
We have a lot of space.
Hmm.
Can I show?
Yeah, she can
This
show.
can also open.
Okay.
So there's a
And it's like a big.
ये देखें, ये टेबल खुल जाता है. ये देखें.
Like this.
Wow, this is good.
Big space.
Big space. तो ये स्टोव है. Is it connected with the cylinder?
Yes. Yes. So connected and it's all on gas. So the oven also.
ओवन भी है इसके अंदर जी. ओवन भी है. And this place
Also storage.
is for storage.
cans,
And this place is for spices, right?
Spices.
So you are the king of this, a queen of this place,
Yes.
right? This is your place. Okay.
Yes.
ये देखें जी. ये इसका सिस्टम है सारा. Again push. ये देखें जी, ये जब किचन में काम कर रही होती है तो इस तरह से ये काम कर रही है। तो so your duty is for cooking and cleaning, right? So you know, do you park it while she cook, or like you are traveling and you want to eat something, do you ask her to, I'm driving, and go inside and while driving
most
you
of the
just cook?
time she's hungry.
No, then we park the car and then cook because it's too much movement to be here
Okay,
when it's driving.
okay. So Giorno, this was your second trip for you know, you
In
came to
Pakistan.
in Pakistan.
Yes.
So Syria came here for the first time.
Yeah,
Right.
but me too. We did it together for the second time because it was this year. This year when we came from Iran, we entered Pakistan, then we went to India, and then now we came back for second time Pakistan.
Right. How was the journey from Belgium to Pakistan? Any interesting, you know, thought?
It's
Interesting happening.
it's very beautiful because you see a lot of like the changing of nature and like cultures and people, and it's not if you go by plane you just they drop you and everything is different, and now it goes very smooth and yeah, it's beautiful.
So Syria, this question is specifically for you. What did you find that you know in places in Pakistan you have visited, you know, for the second time, as Giorno said? Which place have you visited in Pakistan so far, and which was your favorite place?
We did now most the north, Skardu, and I really liked it there because we did the Baltimore trek. It was super beautiful.
You,
Yes,
you love Skardu
yes, I really
because
like Skardu.
people living there look like you, right?
Yeah, also a bit.
That's more in Hunza, I think.
Hunza?
Hunza, they look like similar.
Okay, so were there any places that surprises you, either positivity or negativity?
Mostly positive.
Positive. Here also. Now we are in the surrounding
Islamabad?
of Islamabad, and we found like the people a cave. It's super beautiful and a big garden with all organic plants.
Hmm.
It's a really nice place to be.
How did you find the local culture and hospitality in Pakistan?
People are super friendly and they really like the culture, and it's like really preserved the culture. So I really like it.
Really?
Yes.
So, are you foodie or Giorno?
So I think both.
Both are-
Maybe most.
Which is the most favorite food in Pakistan?
Most favorite. I think it's just the flavor in general that I like because it's not so spicy like in India, and it's like a little bit milder, but and there are fewer dishes but more sophisticated, I would say.
How safe did you feel traveling through Pakistan? You know, in your caravan.
Very safe. Skardu and like the north is very beautiful mountains, and like it's like a completely different landscape. It's very nice and very rough, which I like. It's like newer mountains and it's rough, and like the south is also beautiful. Just all the cultures here, I think, is very interesting, and like she said, it's very preserved, and people are proud of it, and you see it, but they are willing to show it even if you come from different culture, and it's on a very modest, honest way.
Okay. So, as you said that you will come to Pakistan next time and you will fix the AC as well.
Yeah.
So, would you consider returning to Pakistan in future? If so, what would you like to explore next time? What are your plans?
The border with Afghanistan, Peshawar, I would like to do these areas more. Want to come back to Islamabad and then Gilgit and Hunza Valley, like this. Swat Valley, these areas, yeah.
Which is, you know, which weather is good for you to travel when you come to Pakistan?
Like
This-
now for the moment in Balochistan and Gilgit, that's the best. Here it's,
It's
I
too
think
hot here.
15,
Of course,
15
yeah.
degrees too hot for me.
Oh, great. तो ये थे जी जॉर्नो और सीरिया जो कि पाकिस्तान आए थे। उनके पास ये जो कैरावन आपने देखी, वो आपने देखी, कितना ज़बरदस्त उसके अंदर इंतज़ाम है, अंगीठी, किचन, फ्रिज, बाकी सब चीज़ें आपने देखी। सीरिया किस तरह से हेल्प करती है, ये डॉग्स इनको साथ लेके आए हैं पूरे पाकिस्तान के अंदर, किस तरह की इनको जो है वो मेहमान नवाजी की गई, ये सारी वीडियो आपने देखी। वीडियो कैसी लगी इससे मतलब ज़रूर बताइएगा। जॉर्नो अब मेरा फ्रेंड बन गया है। You are now my friend, right?
Okay, definitely.
Giorno is in Instagram and Facebook जो है वो मेरा उसमें भी फ्रेंड बन चुका है। अगर आपने को बातचीत करनी हो तो Giorno से you can ask any question from them, they will reply you definitely. है।